So now let's add an atmospheric sound using a sample, but only in audio. Not in Serum, not a sampler. We'll use a different way to manipulate the sample. Let's see. This one might work. So let's see, first of all, let's look at the spectrum. So as you can see, there's already a lot of low frequency information. But anyway, let's take it down a notch. Okay, so the point of that is that we're basically just using anything as input and then really manipulating it to whatever we want to do. So let's say we want to, in the tuning of this song, let's take D sharp 4, let's attenuate it, accentuate it. So already we have a tonal sound and we made it tonal because we have resonated the frequency, a certain frequency. Let's take another D sharp. Let's make a chord. And another D sharp. Yeah. So already we have so now we have a tonal sound from something completely atonal and rumbly. So let's maybe add some resonance to it with this corpus. Basically what we're doing, we're just really manipulating really specific frequencies and accentuating them. We can do the same thing with the resonator. Let's take a low D sharp. Let's maybe lower this one. This is really has a really realistic quality to it, in my opinion. And now we'll add a big reverb to it. Let's maybe add also a grain delay. Very interesting sound effects. So now, just for the sake of experimenting and trying out, let's freeze this track and keep manipulating it. So this is the sound with the reverb and grain delay and everything. And now if you take it even an octave down, it's even more deep and atmospheric. So let's remove the older one for now, and maybe to make it more solid. It's a very cool sound. Maybe another reverb. So now we have also a tonal atmospheric pad. If we didn't resonate this frequency, we could have made something atmospheric and less tonal, less paddy. For example, if we try, let's take off these resonances and the corpus and the resonator. And now it's strictly atmospheric. And then you can So now we have a full atmosphere going on the track. Really gets starting to get a little bigger.